Hello friends, welcome to Mom's Kitchen. Today we'll be preparing crispy fried chicken. So let's get started. This is a whole chicken I've taken. Try to take maximum big pieces, not small pieces, or at least medium pieces. Big pieces will do very well for this. I've cleaned the chicken and now I'm just drying it with a towel. I don't want any water to be there in the chicken. Just pat it nicely and dry it. The cloth will pull out all the water which is there in the chicken. Then we'll go ahead for the marination. Now in that I'm putting in a little bit of oil, 1 to 2 tablespoons, then some salt, then we'll be adding some black pepper, coriander powder, cumin powder and red chili powder. Now I'm taking fennel seeds, that is saumph and olives, and roasting and grinding them. I'm putting 1 tablespoon in the marination. This is ginger garlic paste, fresh ginger garlic paste, and now I'll mix the marination. Now squeeze in 1 lime. Now add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You can use any vinegar, even normal vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Now give it a good mix so that all the flavors get mixed up. We don't have to score the chicken, just put the whole pieces in the marination. Give it a nice massage so that the marination sticks to the chicken. Very slowly and gently. Now the chicken has been marinated with all the spices. I'm preheating the fryer on 180 degrees for around 10 minutes. Now this is corn flour. I'm dipping the chicken in corn flour and then into egg whites, only egg whites. And after that, the third one into panko breadcrumbs. Similarly with all the other pieces also. First take the chicken, coat it with corn flour, dust out the excess corn flour, then put it into egg whites, roll it in the egg whites and then into panko breadcrumbs. Similarly, we'll coat all the chicken pieces. After coating, let the chicken rest for at least around 4 to 5 hours. Now we are putting it in the preheated fryer which has been marinated and kept for around 4 to 5 hours. Now we'll close the fryer and we'll cook this for around 27 to 28 minutes on 180 degrees. Now we'll make a dip for the chicken, that's curd. Take 2 big spoons of thick curd, not watery curd. After that, just to gather it round, I'm adding a little bit of mayo, little bit of mayonnaise. I have 2 ripe avocados. Just removing the avocados with a spoon. Just mix it together very nicely and then have a little mini chopper. Put the avocado, the thick curd and 1 spoon of mayo in this. And churn it not too much, just a little bit churn and stop. A little churn and stop, that's it. Now removing this mixture into a bowl. Here are the chives, the Jalpenos, some garlic, raw garlic, and some salt. Give it a good mix very carefully so that the chunks remain chunky. Very little salt, just salt to taste, that's all. Now we just do a little bit of a rough salad to eat with the chicken. Some fresh lettuce, cut into some huge chunks and separate it. Take a small medium-sized onion, cut into diagonally like slanting ways. You can just separate it and just garnish it on top. Then take a tomato, cut it into thin slits like the onion, similar to the onion. Take a whole tomato, now simply just take some chives or spring onions, garnish it with that, and to season, one freshly squeezed lime and salt to taste. Give it a good gentle mix. You're ready with a fresh salad to be had with a crispy fried chicken. The chicken is done now. 28 minutes are over. Last, I just made it on 200 speed for 5 minutes just before removing it. So we have the crispy fried chicken ready to be relished with buns, avocado dip, and a green salad.